Welcome to the redesigned Spectrum website, where we've streamlined the entire process of finding reliable recreational and competitive equipment for your aquatic facility. In this short video, we will tour the new homepage and briefly highlight the simplified new ways to efficiently find the equipment and information you are looking for. If you know exactly what you're looking for and want to make a purchase online, simply click the newly added By Parts link located in the header section to be taken to our online store. The header section is also where you'll find the link to the project portfolio, which is where you can browse our completed projects and envision what your facility could look like with either custom or standard equipment. If you're looking for information on a specific product, the site search is the fastest way to gain access to all the information you need. Click the search icon located in the header to be taken to the search page, then type the product part number you're looking for. The search results will automatically populate beneath the search bar. Clicking one of the search results will take you to the products page. Just below the main image of the homepage is the product category search section. Here, we have simplified the process of navigating through our diverse product offerings by breaking down our available equipment by category. The categories include ADA pool lifts, competitive equipment, rails and ladders, anchors and accessories, lifeguard equipment, pool covers and reels, recreational equipment, and cleaning and maintenance equipment. Once a category is selected, you'll be taken to a page listing all the products within that category. You can then further refine your search by selecting multiple criteria to filter down to the equipment that would suit your needs. The same site search from the header is also available on the product category page, so you can easily move between product categories. Near the bottom of the homepage, you will find a link to immediately download the full catalog of current Spectrum offerings. In order to further streamline your experience, we have consolidated each product's specific information, such as manuals and downloads, to be available on the product's dedicated page. No more hopping around the site to find the product information you need. We will cover the information available on the product pages in a separate video. If you still need assistance finding the right recreational and competitive equipment for your facility, use the Contact Us link in the menu bar to easily reach our customer representatives or sales team.